What are we making?
The bottom. Pancake!
Some unicorn funfetti pancakes. Okay, we need 2 scoops of that in here. 1. Okay, now we have to mix it. 1 splash. Those are scissors, huh?
Oh, they're really pink.
Mix all of the powder into the water. Yes. That looks so good.
Smell this.
Yummy. Oh, man down.
I'll get it and lick it.
Okay. Oh, yeah, lick that off. What do you think? Okay, let's go make some pancakes. We got our pancakes. Shut the door up. Ah! These look great. Don't pick her up. Don't pick her up. Don't pick her up. Okay, okay, okay.
No, I need some over here.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
And now I need butter, please.
No, it has butter in it. This is called Miss Buttersworth.
I need a fork now, please. Get it.
Try, scoop it.
Scoop. Yum.
What do you think?
That's so good.
Yummy pink pancakes. I'm gonna make these keto pancakes for Mom. Not gonna lie to you, this smells like dog food. It smells like dog food. Dog food pancakes. Lovely. All right, let's try out the keto pancakes with sugar-free syrup. They look like pancakes. All right, I'm feeding the baby, but dude, that's not even bad. That's so good. 10 out of 10. Give them a 10 out of 10. Good job. Home again. I'm home. Got the goods. The Lord blessed me. I am waiting for this parking spot. They are clipping in the baby. I'm patient. 3rd row? Yes. 10 out of 10. All right, my salad is delicious. It has chicken, cucumber, beets, broccoli, cheese, and the base is kale. Guys, it's so good. Just going through shoot photos from my photo shoot last night. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm dying. The salt flats, it looks like a stairway into heaven. Like, are you kidding me? Stop. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Look how cute. Their invitation. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm dead.